Checking baby's heartbeat at home. When and how?
Hello? Pregnancy is such a fascinating and thrilling journey. One of the most magical moments for an expectant mother is hearing her baby's heartbeat for the first time. Can you check your baby's heartbeat at home? The answer is yes, and in this video, we'll explore when and how you can start doing this.
When can you hear baby's heartbeat at home?
Most mothers can begin hearing their baby's heartbeat at home around the 12th week of pregnancy. However, this can vary depending on the type of equipment you use and the positioning of the baby in the womb. Professional healthcare providers usually can detect a heartbeat with a Doppler device much earlier, around the 8th week of pregnancy. However, these professional-grade devices are more sensitive and require training to use correctly.
What tools do I need?
There are a few ways you can try to hear your baby's heartbeat at home. The most popular method is by using a handheld Doppler device specifically designed for at-home use. This device uses ultrasound technology to capture the sound of your baby's heartbeat. It is important to note, these devices are not medical devices, and their readings should not replace regular prenatal care or consultations with a healthcare provider.
How can I check the baby's heartbeat at home?
Before starting, find a quiet place and make sure you're in a comfortable position. Apply some gel to your belly and then place the Doppler device onto the gel. Slowly move the Doppler around your lower abdomen until you can pick up a heartbeat. Remember, the baby's heart beats at a much faster pace than ours, usually between 120 to 160 beats per minute.
What should I keep in mind?
While checking your baby's heartbeat at home can be a special experience, it's crucial to remember a few things. This should not replace regular prenatal visits or medical consultations. It might be challenging to locate the heartbeat at first. Don't get discouraged. If you're unable to find the heartbeat, it doesn't necessarily mean there's something wrong. However, if you have any concerns, do not hesitate to contact your healthcare provider. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, hearing your baby's heartbeat at home can be an amazing part of your pregnancy journey. But it's not a diagnostic tool. Always consult your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions. We hope this information has been helpful and adds a bit more joy to your wonderful journey of motherhood.